Greetings to my subscribers and those who haven't subscribed yet. Today I have for repairing Oukitel K6000 Pro. I'll change the display model on it. As you can see, the display is damaged. It was flooded. Well, turn off the phone and proceed to disassemble. To start, at the bottom of the phone, pick up the cover with a triangle pick and remove it. Next, unscrew the 3 screws under it. After being unscrewed, we pick up the back cover from the bottom with a pick and gently draw along the frame. So the cover is removed. Then unscrew all the screws on the main board that you see. By unscrewing, raise the black plastic cover and first of all disconnect the battery connector. The cover rises and rests on the fingerprint cable. Under the black tape, it's the battery connector, and a buttons cable is glued on it. Carefully peel off the cable and disconnect the battery connector. Then you need to remove the battery. It's on double-sided tape. Carefully pick it up and it should bounce. If it doesn't work, use a hair dryer to warm it up and it will be easily removed. Removed, put aside and disassemble the phone further. Turn off all cables that you see. There is a screw under the touchscreen cable. We also don't forget to unscrew it. That's all, then the main board can be raised. Don't forget how I did. Remove the card tray here, since you can break the SIM card connector. Under the tape in the center of the board, we take out the display cable, and after we have realized everything on one side, gently lift it, since on the other side there is another cable. And also to raise the board, you must peel off the power button, otherwise you will break the cable. And for this you need to remove the bottom board. Everything is easy. To unscrew a couple more screws and remove the bottom board. It's glue a double-sided tape. Remove the rim and it became possible to peel off the buttons. After that the board can be easily removed. Bend and disconnect the last cable and remove the board. Next you can start ungluing the display model. You need to warm it up, you just need a hair dryer and credit card. It's enough to remove it. Warm and pick up the screen. Also at the back there is opportunity to slightly press on the display, so that it moves away, and carefully remove it. Realize the touchscreen cable and the entire display is in your hands. Further, the entire surface of the frame. You need to clean. We clean it with alcohol or degreaser. Seconds later, everything is cleared of all double-sided tape and dirt. Now install the new model. This is how it looks. Order it on AliExpress. I left a link to it in the description under the video. But before gluing it, you must definitely check it out. On this model phone it's easy. Connect two cables, attach the battery and turn it on. Excellent, screen started up. Next check the LCD and touchscreen. Everything works great. Now you can stick the model. I install on glue P7000 because after double-sided tape the screen unglues after a month. Apply glue around the edge. Now you can insert the screen. First carefully pass the touchscreen cable and insert the model into the frame. Press on all sides and after that press it with pins. After 30 minutes of drying, you can already collect the phone. The glue completely dries in about 24 hours. Next, collect everything in the reverse order. Put the bottom board, insert the top board, collect all the cables, insert the Wi-Fi cable, put all iron rings right and left and tighten them. After everything is assembled, put the back cover, snap it in, insert the SIM card tray, tighten the last 3 screws and close the bottom cover. And so the new display is installed. Everything works fine. This repair is completed. Did you like or did the video help? Put like, and also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the ArtBelChannel.